Up for sale, I got a 1971 Chevy C10 pickup, Shortbed Cheyenne, 396 car. Gonna walk around and tell you more about the car, show you some of the flaws, fire it up, and then drive it like I normally do. So if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more just like this. So right off the bat, let me tell you a little bit about the car. New paint, new chrome, new trim, new orange Houndstooth bench seat, new Cheyenne door panels, handles, whatnot, dash pad, gas tank, the whole bed, all the sheet metal on the bed, everything. The whole bed's brand new. Again, new trim, chrome, everything, new dual exhaust. So that's about it. I'll pop the hood real quick, show you the motor. There we go, there's the 396 big block. Original orange paint on the firewall with the markings. Power steering. It's a factory power brake with front disc truck. Looks to be a new master cylinder. So there you have it. Let me tell you a little bit more about it though as I start to make my way around. Like I said, the bumper is brand new, trim new. It's a new driver quality, correct orange with the white Cheyenne paint. All new quarters. There's a little black smudge right here. I'm positive it could be buffed out. I don't know what happened. There's no rust anywhere on the truck. It has its original glass, so for some reason there's a little smokiness in here in this corner. For whatever reason, you know, in age that happened. It is a factory Z-Bart truck from the factory. It's got the sliding glass back window. These hubcaps are really cool, actually. New mirror. .396 with its, I believe to be its original Turbo 400 automatic transmission. Excellent painted doors. Like I said, the new Cheyenne, whatnot. Excellent painted orange dash. Looks to be new carpet as well. New bench seat. Again, the orange Houndstooth, nice touch. Cabin light works. So unfortunately there are a couple bubbles down here from the paint. Not bubbles, excuse me, drips. Just in this little section. They're not back there. They're nowhere else up front. White's very nice. Again, trim's very nice. Like I said, it is a brand new bed. So the whole thing's new. And there's not a dent. You know, work trucks back in the day, you threw shit in there. Rain got in there, they rusted, they dented, scratched, nicked, chipped. This is all new. Because of that, it is a very straight body. Like I said, with the new quarters, the new bed, and the door. Not a wave. Again, another brand new bumper. Again, more of that orange bed. Very clean, very solid, original undercarriage. It's a factory 12-bolt rear, actually. I did not mention that. It is factory 12-bolt with the factory power brakes with the front disc. There's a little chip on the white there. And a little bit of cracking in this caulking that they put back here. And it's the same thing on the other side. I forgot to mention that when I was there. There's a scratch down here and a couple of divots in the door when they finished it. Nice paint there. A little chip right there. Will be for sale later today on my eBay website, which will be in the description of this video, as well as my website, nextgenclassiccars.com. I'll flash it right now. If you want to check it out, see it, see my site. A little bit more of the smokiness in the glass right there. Like I said, it's original glass. We will fire it up very soon. I know I missed a chip right here. I thought about it when I walked around. Like I said, new driver quality paint, trim, chrome, interior, gas tank, everything else. I'll list everything down below in the description of the video. So if you do enjoy it, please leave a like. Thank you. And we'll fire it up now. Whenever